Hi everyone, welcome back to PC Error Detective. Today I'm going to show you how to remove server boost on Discord, so you can easily manage your boosts or move them to another server. Step 1. Open Discord and look at the lower left-hand corner next to your username. This area shows your profile and quick access to settings, which is where we start managing your server boosts. Step 2. Click the gear icon to open user settings. This icon gives you access to all your personal account settings, including nitro and server boost options. Step 3. Scroll down the settings menu and select server boost. Here, you can see all the servers you've boosted, the dates, and any active boosts associated with your account. Step 4. Find the server boost you want to cancel. Take a moment to make sure it's the correct server, because canceling or moving a boost can't always be undone. Step 5. Click on the boost for this server and select Nevermind if you decide not to remove it. This lets you back out without making any changes, ensuring you don't accidentally cancel a boost you still want. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful tutorials.